Welcome to Omniful, your comprehensive solution for warehouse, order, and transport management. Today, we'll guide you through our fundamental feature, Shipment Creation. Shipment creation involves the process of organizing and initiating the transportation of goods from one location to another. Users can manage and monitor various tasks to ensure efficient and accurate shipment creation and execution. Navigate to Shipments in the navbar, then click on the Create Shipment button. Start by selecting the creation type, single or bulk. Choose your client. Select the type of shipment, either forward or reverse. You can choose the service type from normal, express, or scheduled. Then enter the payment method, currency, reference order IDs, and product type. Here, you can also click on Autofill to fill in the reference ID. Next, choose the same address for the sender hub as well as recipient details or create a new recipient. Then add the number of packages and enter the package details. Here, you can select if all the packages have the same dimensions, weight, and items. With this option, the package details will be applied to all packages in the shipment. Alternatively, you can enter the package details separately if the packages have varying sizes and weights. After putting in all the necessary details and reviewing the details finally, click on the Create button. With this, your shipment is created. You can see your shipment in the list. You can click on the drop-down button to check the status and details of each package. You can also print the AWB bill by clicking on the Action button. And there you have it, the shipment creation feature in Omniful. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time.